This new indicator is going to absolutely blow your mind, and the best part is it's free and open source. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you may know that I am actually an algo trader. I use bots to take all of my entries, but I do have one trading strategy that I do use for manual or discretional trades. So I decided today that I was going to share with you the indicators that I use to take my manual trades, whether they're spot or using futures. And the best part is it's going to be 100% free and open source, so hopefully you'll be able to improve it and adapt it to your trading strategy. It's based on a couple of smart money concepts, but is just something that I have been using for quite a long time and has made me quite profitable. Right, okay, let's get over to the charts. Let's have a look at the new indicator and how it works. Okay, here we are on my computer. So as you can see, it is pretty much a bar chart. We have a couple of extra colors here, and I have an indicator that I've called liquidity and market structure. Now you can find this indicator, it'll be down in the description, or you can go over to davidtech.com where you'll be able to find all of my free indicators up the top here. You can also see all of the bots being live traded here as well, so you can see how well they're performing. These are the bots that I'm actually trading. But back to the indicator here. This indicator is the indicator that I use for manual trades. It's based on vector candles, which are high volume and volatility candles. As you can see here, as we get some big candles with lots of volume, they actually change the color. Now I know that you've probably already seen this indicator. It is already free on TradingView, but I've added some more functions to it, which we're going to be adding. Now, I learned a lot about the vector candles from a guy called Ollie, who was in my Discord a long time ago, and I've been playing around with the algorithm to try and make them better. This is where I've added this white candle here, which I will explain in a minute. And that's going to be my segue over to today's sponsor, MEXC. We all know how important it is to find a reliable and secure platform for all of our digital assets. That's why we trust MEXC, with over 30 million clients worldwide and serving over 170 countries. MEXC's been around since 2018 and offers one of the most ultra fast trading engines out there. And one of my favorite things is its ultra low fees. We all know that having low fees is an edge on the market itself. MEXC is #1 for liquidity globally, faster trades, tighter spreads, and steadier trading. Claim your bonuses of up to $8,000 today on MEXC.com, and thank you very much for them for sponsoring this video. But first of all, let's go and add some more of the functions to this actual indicator. So first of all, I'm going to add the lines and labels back on. As you can see, I've added some market structure into the indicator here. So you can see when structure is breaking to bearish or bullish to help us find the best entries. Now, I don't use it in the conventional way. Personally, I look for Wyckoff patterns and ABC patterns. Some people call it Elliott wave. I tend to think this is more of a Wyckoff, where we're looking for liquidity down here, taking a final move down, and we're going to reverse. Now, this is where our white candles come in, but as I said, I will talk about this a bit further down. Now, adding some more of the functions from here, we're going to add some of our liquidity levels here, which are very, very important, and we're going to be adding the change of character. This will reload the indicator, which will take a couple of seconds. What this does is it allows us to see where liquidity is in the market. We're taking these big candles with lots of volume. We're trying to work out exactly where they would have actually added their stop losses. By calculating the leverage, we can see above and below us where potential stop losses and high volume actually have put their stop losses. Now, if you believe like me in the Wyckoff movement, you can see as we go down, we're actually taking out some of these stop losses to move back in the other direction through market manipulation. So it looks a bit like a Christmas tree. I know that there's lots and lots of colors here. You can deactivate a lot of the colors, but we can also see, thanks to this table up the top here, where volume is actually and how much volume is above us and how much volume is below us. Meaning we can actually see that there are more entries and stop losses below us. So we potentially could be moving to upsides as new longs are building. So currently my trading strategy that I use is that I look for a breaker structure to the downside. We're moving downwards and I'm looking to see market being manipulated and moving in the other direction. It's very simple. We create an ABC pattern, which I've spoken often about in my community. The ABC pattern was inspired by a guy called Kite. He was one of my favorite analysts on charts for a long while. I looked and deep dive read into it a lot and found that it was very much inspired by Wyckoff and the Wyckoff movements. So price comes down, we're looking for a higher high where we're actually going to manipulate markets, pushing them back up. The market kind of gets excited. We can see that the candles are getting big candles here. We then put in a big red candle like this, moving the market down, and this is where my white candles come in. As you can see, the white candle is hit almost the very bottom of the market, and we're looking to make an entry if we get above this A level here. After a white candle, this is where I'd actually look to add some conditional orders in, and as we come back above that white line, I set my stop loss at the local low, and we're looking to add our actual take profits at much higher levels where the liquidity is on the chart. So as you can see, these white candles don't happen that often, but they're very good at predicting market reversals. As you can see, this one here would have reversed all the way down to the bottom where we had another white red candle that predicted the reversal just here. That was 14%, and there was another one just here, and it predicted the very bottom of this movement here, which was another 11%. Another one just here, as you can see, and at 11%. They're very good. Another one just here. Alone by themselves, they are absolutely brilliant at predicting market reversals, and I've been using them for quite a while. This one here kind of pushes back down. There's another one just here that pushes market back down. They are absolutely amazing, these white candles here, but together with liquidity in the market, as you can see, you'll be able to see where liquidity is in the market above us or below us. And like I said, I like to look for Wyckoff patterns in the market for this. So this indicator is based on that. As I also said earlier, you can see by zooming in, you can see market structure as well. So you can see currently if market's going to move in one way or another, and it will help you predict the actual market. Now, this indicator I haven't actually managed to turn into a bot, but it is very powerful and works on multiple time frames. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a very short one, but this is now free. You'll be able to find the link down in the description below. This has been the only indicator that I've actually used and improved as I've gone along to actually accumulate myself and increase my positions. So I hope they'll be helpful to you guys, and hopefully you'll be able to build a strategy for yourselves. And guys, before I go, if I could ask you one last favor, if you did enjoy the video, if you don't mind giving it a good old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you've got an extra 5 minutes, if you don't mind just boosting the indicator on TradingView, it helps me to grow the community and meet new people like yourselves. So without further ado, guys, I will see you on Friday. Have a wonderful day. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Friday. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.